Excuse me, gentlemen. What are you guys doing in here? Hmm? Yeah? Yeah? I'm talking to you. Hmm. I think they're harassing whoever's in the bathroom.
Well, that's fine. Let's harass that noise. Harass no one to see.
These babies are a mess. Especially the one that can't stand it, can't sit up.
Hurry up. Are you my mother?
I mean, these babies can really give someone a nightmare.
I know. That's how I felt today. No, Levi.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Excuse me. Excuse me, gentlemen.
Daddy, what activity is this?
I don't know what they're doing.
Locking.
But harassing. There's nobody in there, baby. Oh, I know what they're trying to do. I know what they're trying to do. Yep, going for the toilet.
Open the door as soon as you do.
You know they go straight to the toilet. Silly babies.
Hey,